together two massive stars, one great song. Anne-Marie, Niall Horan. This is our song.
Right then, so I've got the legs on. I've done some tack welds on it. It was a bit of a nightmare, to be honest, because the metal is so bad. As you can see, you end up burning through it so quickly. But the legs are on it anyway, and you know what? For what it is, it ain't too bad. It's going to stand up. So the next bit, I'm going to put the tray on it and start welding that and see how we get on with that. I'm not going to try and properly weld, because I don't think the metal would handle it, but I think I'll do like about 10 tack welds around the tray when I put that on, and see how I get on with that. But it's on anyway, and I think it's going to stand up. So I'm going to tack on the bottom tray a little bit, see how I get on with that. Well, there you go. That's what a bit of welding for you. I'm not a professional welder by any means, and that I've just got that back up. Still a lot to do. Still more welding to do on the legs and stuff like that. But you can see that the tray's back on. Done some tack welds on it. I'll show you what I've done on the tray. It is a bit rough. The metal isn't that great. The metal, it's very thin metal. But hey, there you go. Right, so this is what I've done on the bottom. Done tack weld there. One there, one there, one there, and one over there, and that's held it on really well. Oh, that one's a little bit loose. I'm gonna have to do that one again, but the rest of them are okay. So I've still got a lot of work to do around here. I'm not going to go too mad. This needs to go in, this bit here, but I need to bend that back now. Now I've got that welded. Probably I'm going to do that one before I finish today. But all the rest of them are okay. So it's definitely worth having a bit of welding kit, basic kit. It's a Sealey. Definitely worth having that in your garage for stuff like this, if you're interested in this sort of stuff. But you know, this is going to be back working again very shortly. Probably get another couple of seasons out of it. So there you go, a bit of welding. I'm just going to do that off. Can do it off camera and then stand it up. Well, I hope you got something from this. My name's Driveway DIYer. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscription. Thank you so much for everyone who is subscribing. We've got over 3,000 subscribers now. I never thought I'd get anywhere near that. Keep your comments coming, keep them constructive. Loads. I'm always learning loads of new skills, especially during lockdown. Really wanted to get into welding. The only way to keep welding is by doing it. So this is the best stuff to practice on. So thanks for watching.